Hello, it's Paul from Heyner, UK. Today we're going to change wiper blades on the Vauxhall Astra K model. Ordinarily takes a wiper blade size 27 inch and 25, but that's quite rare size for the replacement. So today we're going to fit 28 inch and 26, and it's perfectly fine for this windscreen. This car has two different wiper blades. This one is right hand drive, this one is left hand drive. They go opposite sides. So we will use Heyner wiper blades today. We will need the adapters top lock for that, and one will be for right hand drive, one for left. First we're going to remove driver side wiper. There's a button, you need to press and pull the wiper. Then you need to play a little bit, and yeah, remember to put something on the windscreen to not damage it. Okay, we will fit driver side. So you will need a right hand drive adapter. So letter R is visible. The easiest way is fit the adapter first on the wiper arm. It clicks on, and now we can put the wiper blade. Click the wiper blade, you just hear the click, and job done. So we're going to do the same on the passenger side. So again, press the button and pull the wiper. Now we will need the opposite side. So we again got the R adapter, but we need L1. To change the direction of adapter, you just press the head and take it off, and put the head of the adapter on the R side. And now it's ready to fit this wiper arm. That's fitted. And again, yeah, job done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.